Yeah, so I did all my training and then last year, so I worked all in London.
Yeah, drop the bomb.
And then actually went up.
Hey guys, hope you're all well and that you've had a great week. Tonight we are going to be doing the fireworks. It's our local bonfire night. It's a little bit later than it's meant to be. Obviously bonfire night was last week. We did actually try to see if we could see any fireworks. So we went up to the Devil's Punch Bowl where there's a really nice little lookout. We're going to show you a little clip from that in a second. But we didn't see too much. It was all in the distance. We thought for some reason we had this really, we had this idea that there was going to be all these fireworks everywhere. It's going to be this amazing view. And it was an amazing view. There was a really lovely full moon and everything that night. But it was all off in the distance. So tonight we're going to be getting something a little bit more up close. But here's a little clip from that. Yeah, what are we doing today, Amelia?
We're going to do fireworks.
Yeah, we're going to go see if we can see some fireworks at the Devil's Punch Bowl, which is yeah, you can. Yeah, which is where we like going a fair bit. So we're going to have a quick look up there. We don't know if we're going to see anything, but it has a good big vista over a good chunk of Surrey. So fingers crossed we'll see something. Okay, I'll put some. Right, so we have just parked up at the Devil's Punch Bowl. And the light's just gone out. There we go, there we go.
We need to get out of the car, we're going to miss
we need to get out of the car. I think we're coming up to 7:30, so there should be another round of fireworks.
I can see them going on.
And we're going to go have a look now, so see you in a second.
Okay, well, note to self, for when we actually go to our bonfire night weekend next week, wrap the kids up really warm because we've only been out here about 5 minutes and they're freezing.
It is cold, isn't it? But the moon is really cool. It's is it called a hunter's moon or something tonight?
That's what you said. I've never heard that term.
Yeah, it's a super moon weekend apparently. So there's something about being out here at this time of night, with it being obviously dark and everything, and hearing all of the fireworks going off. That's actually quite magical, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of spooky.
I know. Cool. So tonight you guys are going to come with us as we go up to the Hammer Hill Fireworks just up the road from us, so we'll see what we can pick up on the camera. Obviously fireworks and cameras at night time don't always go well together, but we're also having a party here, so we're going to have the Ball family over, who very kindly had us over last time in the Halloween video that was the previous video. So tonight we're having our annual Doughnut and Hot Chocolate party. It's kind of just become a thing that we've been doing for the past couple of years now, and it's really nice to have everyone over, so as a bit of a thank you for them coming, us going over to them. Amelia and Jacob at the moment are watching Elf. Even though it's mid-November, it's never too early, right? We've got the Switch lined up for a little bit of gaming maybe later, and in the kitchen we have all of the stuff ready for the hot chocolate. Hi, Jakey. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna have some dinner first.
Like all white marshmallow, like a whole bag of them.
We do.
And like lots of donuts. Like
yeah.
And guys, we'll show you this a little bit more in detail later.
Yeah,
we've tried and tested lots of brands.
We have lots of 2 packs of donuts actually.
We do.
And we have
Don't give everything. Spoiler alerts.
Yeah. We've got our Krispy Kreme donuts, which we've got. But yeah, Amory, were you saying about the hot chocolate?
No, this is our tried and tested brand of choice, hot chocolate, the Twining Swiss drinking chocolate. It is delicious. The yummiest hot chocolate. So we're going to make up a big batch of that for everyone.
Yep.
And then we're going to have some some dinner and then get off to Bonfire.
And then in here we've got like copious amounts of milk. We've got 3 big things of milk in there for the hot chocolate, so hopefully that'll be enough. But in the meantime, we are just going to have a little bite to eat, and then you guys can come with us as we go and watch the fireworks.
I am 1 million over infinity. Excited. Hey.
Hey Jakey. Whoa, you guys are wrapped up.
Like a burrito.
Yeah.
Let's go with the ball.
Yeah, we're just going to go and get the balls now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes, I just am like fingers crossed it doesn't rain, but I'm going to
Umbrella. Oh, good job.
just in case.
See that you're good at remembering things like that, and I'm not.
Our son's just walked across the road.
Hello. You can see a little sparkling of rain behind me at the moment.
It's not a big deal.
It's not that much. It actually looks a lot more dramatic than it is. But we're about to go in now, and I can't see the bonfire yet. Can you, Amory? No.
How were the fireworks?
Good.
Were they good?
Yeah.
Those were pretty amazing. Jacob, what did you think, pretty?
I thought that was good.
Jacob, what did you think of the fireworks? Woo! Okay, what time is it now?
I don't have a watch.
Jacob, what time is it now? Is it time for?
I don't have a watch. Oh, it's time for.
It's time for what, Amelia?
It's time for donuts. Yay!
Okay, we're gonna head back. We're gonna head back, right?
Yeah, let's go get it ready. Okay, that was pretty impressive,
You
wasn't
guys, those were amazing, those fireworks. It was
Really
cool
cool.
to be so close as well.
So we're
They're really good.
we're just heading home now, so we're just walking back, and then we're gonna get the hot chocolate made.
Yeah.
Hey, so yeah, we're back now, just getting the hot chocolate ready, and everyone will be over in just a minute.
Guys, look at you. You're sneaking. What are you guys sneaking?
These are so good.
The marshmallows are for the hot chocolate. No, thank you. We'll wait for the hot chocolate.
We're roasting them.
Oh, well, that's hardly going to get them roasted.
Yeah, but we're just trying.
Jakey, come here. You've got to reenact what you just said to us. Jacob just came and put his feet in front of the fire and then quoted from one of our favorite Beatrix Potter movies. What did you say, Jakey?
I'm starting to feel my trotters again.
And what movie is that from?
Higgling Bland.
Higgling Bland. We love that one. Oh, it's so cozy. What have you got?
Doughnut.
Is it good?
Yeah, and I got only ice cream.
Ice cream?
I mean icing.
Icing. Are you licking it all off?
Yeah. And the cream.
That looks good. Okay, David managed to snag the one he wanted.
This is what they call chef's perks. So this looks like salted caramel.
Is it nice? Let's
This
see.
is what the cookies and cream.
Oh my god. Hold on, it's not focusing. Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. That looks like heaven for you.
Multitasking.
What is it? Oh, thank you, Jacob. Oh yeah.
People say men can't multitask, but I'm eating a donut whilst
Making more hot chocolate.
it's basically the food equivalent of doing that.
That would be a good choice, but yeah. So I did all my training, and then your last year, so I worked all in London, and then actually went up.
Okay, so we've got everyone playing on the Nintendo Switch at the moment. So we've got Mario Kart 4-way. What are you watching, Mills?
Don't do it.
See you guys.
That's it, guys. I think it was a success. If you
good.
invite guests over and give them Krispy Kreme and hot chocolate and then start gaming, you just won't get rid of people.
We got lost with the gaming. I didn't expect the gaming element to take over, but it totally did.
I think everyone loved it. So
Yeah.
they finally, I think everyone had to get their kids back. Otherwise, I think everyone would have stayed, huh?
Well, we've got a lot of cleaning up to do now, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed it, hit the
Like button.
subscribe.
Subscribe, come on.
Thanks so much, guys. Until next time,
guys.
bye.